Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Katsudon. Katsudon is tonkatsu, which is a deep-fried pork and eggs cooked in a sweet and salty broth and placed over rice. Katsudon is a hearty dish compared to other Japanese food because tonkatsu is breaded and deep-fried, but the taste is so good that you will not mind the extra calories. These are the ingredients. We have tonkatsu, pork cutlet. We have a great recipe video to make this at home, so please check it out on YouTube or on our website if you have not already. Then we cook it in dashi, soy sauce, sugar, sake, and mirin, and mix in eggs and top with green onions and shredded nori, and of course a bowl of steamed rice. For more information about the ingredients and the complete recipe, please visit JapaneseCooking101.com. Okay, let's begin. Cut tonkatsu into strips and set aside. In a small frying pan, add dashi, soy sauce, sugar, sake, and mirin. And cook at medium heat until it boils. Reduce heat to low-medium. Add tonkatsu to the sauce. You can also add sliced yellow onions here if you like. Beat an egg or two in a small bowl and pour over the tonkatsu. Cover and cook for 1 minute. The egg is still soft, and sprinkle chopped green onions if you like, and slide tonkatsu and egg with sauce over a bowl of rice. And sprinkle on some shredded nori seaweed. Deep-fried tonkatsu is cooked in tasty broth. It's crunchy and juicy mixed with softly cooked eggs. It's a true comfort food for everyone. 美味しい。
美味しいね。